Antonym of scarce is A. Rare, B. Limited, C. Abundant, D. Insufficient. Right answer is abundant. Antonym of expand is A. Increase, B. Stretch, C. Contract, D. Extend. Right answer is contract. Antonym of ancient is A. Old, B. Historic, C. Modern, D. Primitive. Right answer is modern. Antonym of generous is A. Kind, B. Selfish, C. Noble, D. Helpful. Right answer is selfish. Antonym of optimistic is A. Positive, B. Hopeful, C. Pessimistic, D. Cheerful. Right answer is pessimistic. Antonym of victory is A. Triumph, B. Success, C. Defeat, D. Achievement. Right answer is defeat. Antonym of permanent is A. Lasting, B. Eternal, C. Temporary, D. Constant. Right answer is temporary. Antonym of accept is A. Receive, B. Approve, C. Reject, D. Admit. Right answer is reject. Antonym of humble is A. Modest, B. Arrogant, C. Polite, D. Gentle. Right answer is arrogant. Antonym of artificial is A. False, B. Synthetic, C. Natural, D. Fake. Right answer is natural.